how to manage our time to write and then publish our writings in journals. And yeah, I start integrating actually this semester. I'm teaching English for young learners this semester, and we have field projects with my students, and we try to get some data on that, and finally we try to write a paper based on our mini project. So yeah, I think it's a good idea to integrate our teaching in the class, and also we do practice in the field of the teaching English to young learners, and then finally we can produce or we can generate at least compilations of students writing based on their experience in the field. That's what we are doing right now with my students. Some of them come to this meeting, the 5th semester students. And then, if you don't have any questions, tomorrow we will have a great time to explore ourselves by presenting maybe our reading results from, you may choose one of the articles, right? Or anyone, yeah.
They can read both, but at least one.
Oh, I see. You can read both of the articles, but you can report one of them, right? So you may do something that you like most. And then don't forget to answer some questions based on your readings. So don't miss tomorrow. So I hope that everybody can come on time tomorrow to deal with great job tomorrow, and finally we can have ideas to write more on our interests. And tomorrow Nina will share some strategies how to publish our articles and choose the best articles maybe. Okay, so maybe that's for wrap up today. Finally we come to the last sessions. Thank you very much, the audience, for your participations, for your great times coming here. So hopefully that's the information we have today will be useful for all of us. Thank you very much. I close these sessions today by saying Alhamdulillah and Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Well, everybody, thank you very much for your participation and attention. We would like to express special gratitude to Professor Nina Asher Ed that come all the way from the University of Minnesota, United States of America. Tomorrow we'll have another session, that is the session for publications, the strategies of publishing your articles, especially in the international journals, and any other strategies that might be useful for every one of us as an academicians and as a students, that later on will be other students in publications. Well, everybody, thank you very much for your attention. I think that's all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Now, why don't we take picture together? We would like to invite every one of you to come to the stage. Nina,